Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error security stream is inconsistent on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. You are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute the command chkdsk scan. Execute the command chkdsk your drive later /f/r. C is file is number is denoted with your where your program files exists, and press enter. If you ask to yes or no, so simply type yes and press enter. And check, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Close the window command prompt Windows and press Win plus E shortcut key to open File Explorer. And here go to the where your program files exists. Simply right click on it and make sure that any permission needed for this drive. Choose Properties. Right click on it and choose Properties. And here go to the Security tab from the top menu bar and make sure that your username disk and have full control of your device name. Check where any permission needed or not. If any permission needed, allow them. If any permission is denied, then go to change permission and click on change and allow them. If you want to add any username, then add any username and choose add. And if you want to permission for account, simply select account, choose edit and allow permission for this drive. For any user which you want to use, simply select it and choose all the permissions required for this drive, disk or drive. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. It means give full permission to your disk where your program files exist and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open command from Windows, run as administrator mode, and here execute some DISM tool to scan your system. Execute these three DISM tool on as shown on your screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. One by one execute in command prompt Windows. After that, execute sfc scan now command to check any corrupted file system on your system. sfc/scan now and press enter. Once completed, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type RSTRUI and click on OK. System Restore system files and settings window will open. Here choose a system restore point. You may choose recommended restore, otherwise choose a different restore point also available. So you may choose a different restore point. Click on next and restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a event. We will choose Windows Update and click on next. And finally, confirm your restoration point. Choose finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process.